Young people are often misled into believing that money is scarce and earned solely through traditional means like a job or mortgage. This narrative begins in school and perpetuates the idea of working endlessly until retirement. But let's get real. The path to earning isn't confined to this conventional route. Passive income offers an alternative where money flows without constant labor. Here are 7 passive income ideas to explore, each rated for feasibility and effectiveness, offering a departure from the typical grind for financial security. Welcome to my channel, Idea 1. Invest in stocks. There's more nuance to generating passive income than simply investing in the stock market. While buying shares in a company can yield returns, if the stock appreciates, it typically requires selling the stock to access the gains. True passive income involves steady cash flow without needing to sell assets. Dividend stocks stand out as a genuine source of passive income, where companies like Starbucks, Pepsi, and McDonald's pay shareholders a portion of their profits regularly. Dividend kings and aristocrats lead the pack in reliability, with a track record of consistent dividend payments and increases. However, entering the dividend market requires careful consideration to ensure sustainability. Assessing these income-generating methods involves evaluating their time commitment, financial requirements, and income potential. Dividend investing demands minimal time but substantial investment, offering a reliable avenue for earning consistent returns over time. Idea 2. Automate a side hustle. Many people confuse a traditional job with an automated side hustle. Take Jamie, for example, who had a dog training business but struggled financially due to limited time and scalability. With the internet, side hustles can now be automated, creating passive income opportunities. To transform a skill into an automated hustle, identify your expertise and focus on building digital assets like blogs, manuals, or courses. Platforms like Hostinger simplify website creation and hosting. While automating a side hustle can be time-consuming initially, tools like Hostinger ease the process, requiring minimal technical skills. The financial investment is low, mainly involving hosting fees and digital product creation costs. Making $100 a week is achievable by selling digital products, with platforms like TikTok offering vast reach potential. Idea 3. Make online content for years. Traditional media outlets like radio and television monopolized advertising revenue until YouTube democratized content creation. Despite resistance from traditional media, online platforms offer lucrative opportunities for content creators. Making money through social media involves creating engaging content, often in a niche, and leveraging advertising revenue or sponsorship opportunities. Success depends on producing quality content tailored to algorithms and audience preferences. While content creation is time-consuming, requiring dedication and consistency, it requires minimal financial investment. Achieving significant income, like earning $100 a week, is feasible with compelling content and effective audience engagement strategies. Idea 4. Private investing. Imagine you're on Shark Tank, presented with a promising business opportunity. Private investing, whether as an angel or a shark, offers a chance to support budding ventures. Angels typically invest smaller amounts, often in businesses run by acquaintances, without seeking control. In contrast, sharks may invest more significantly, aiming for control to maximize profitability. Combining private investing with content creation, exemplified by figures like Ryan Reynolds, can yield substantial passive income. Assessing potential investments requires time and careful consideration, with due diligence on the business's viability and exit strategy. The required investment varies depending on the venture's stage and risk tolerance. Making consistent returns of $100 per week relies on negotiation skills and the value added to the businesses invested in. Idea 5. Become an affiliate marketer. When a big bank offered a promotion, my son's girlfriend shared a sign-up link with her friends, offering them a free $10 for downloading the app. To her surprise, many friends signed up, earning her $300 that day. This is akin to affiliate marketing, where you promote products for companies and earn a commission for sales made through your referral link. It's a straightforward way to make money online, requiring only a passion for your niche and persuasive skills. Most companies offer affiliate programs, and platforms like Impact.com list various schemes to join. You can promote products through blogs, social media, or reviews, earning a commission for each sale. Affiliate marketing demands time and patience to see results, but it can be lucrative without requiring any upfront investment. While initial efforts may not yield immediate returns, successful affiliate marketers can earn passive income averaging around $66,000 annually. Idea 6. Create a digital tool. My best friend became a multimillionaire by identifying a market gap for a digital tool that helped large membership organizations manage customer data. Initially, selling the software as a one-time purchase, he later shifted to a subscription-based model, generating predictable passive income. While still requiring some customer support initially, he eventually outsourced this task. He eventually sold his business for millions. You don't need coding skills to create a digital tool. Identifying a problem and targeting the right customers is crucial. Developing a digital tool requires significant time for ideation, testing, and building, but it can offer consistent passive income and potential for a lucrative sale. Costs vary, but partnering with a coder or attracting angel investors can help. Making $100 per week can be relatively easy once the tool is launched, with a modest number of paying customers covering expenses and generating profit. Idea 7. Rent out your stuff. Many overlook the potential for passive income from assets they already own. For instance, a friend of mine started renting out his driveway near Bromley train station for $70 a week, earning $140 weekly. While not everyone has a driveway, many possess assets like storage space, vehicles, camping gear, or spare rooms that can be monetized. Renting out typically requires minimal time investment, often involving just uploading pictures to a rental platform. The upfront costs are usually negligible, especially if you're utilizing existing belongings. Making $100 a week is moderately easy, with many finding success leveraging their assets for rental income. Thanks for tuning in to learn about passive income ideas. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video.